This time I am going to teach you how to draw an isosceles trapezoid. The materials that we need are bond paper, pencil, ruler, protractor, and permanent marker. Okay, so first step that you're going to do, you're going to draw a baseline. So at the lower part of your bond paper, you draw a line. Then from the end point, you measure any distance from the end. So this is 40 millimeters or 4 centimeters from the end point going here. And then on the other side, also 40 millimeters, you mark using your pencil. So you have here your mark here. And then using your protractor, you're going to draw a perpendicular line to the baseline that we drawn. So how to use this protractor? First, you're going to locate the center part of your protractor. So like this one, the center part is here. So this is the center point. Okay. So you're going to place that on top of your point. And then mark on 90 degrees. Okay, so take note that in this kind of protractor, you're not going to place the protractor along with the edge of the protractor because it will not give an exact measure. Then draw a perpendicular line. Now on your perpendicular line, you're going to measure, so any measure that you want or any length. So in this example, I'm going to use 130 millimeters or 13 centimeters and mark here. Start at 0. Do not mark at the edge of or the tip of your ruler, but it is aligned with the mark 0 here. So that is 130 centimeters. Also on the other side, then after that, and 130 here. And then at the edge of your baseline to the point of your perpendicular line here, you're going to connect. So that is a slant line connecting the point here and the edge of your, or the end point of your base line. And on the other side, and then connect also the point on top. So you have now an isosceles trapezoid. So we will just use a permanent marker to darken our sides. So we're going to erase the unnecessary marks. Okay, so this is now your isosceles trapezoid. So we will just label our isosceles trapezoid using capital letters of the English alphabet. We are going to name it clockwise direction. You can start on any vertices. So we start here. We will name this trapezoid ABCD. So A, B, C, and D. So we write the name or the letters outside the angle, not inside the angle.